75 mm diameter orifice discharge 0.023 cubic meter per second of liquid under a head of 2.90 meters. The diameter of the jet at the vena contracta is found by calculating to be 66.25 mm. So calculate the coefficient of discharge. So Q equals square root of 2GH. So 0.023 equals say pi over 4 times 0.075 squared square root of 2 times 9.81, so times 2.90, so C 0.69. So a cylindrical tank having a horizontal cross section 2 meters squared permits a liquid surface draw down at the rate of 40 mm per second for a 3.5 meter head on the orifice having a coefficient of discharge of 0.60 and coefficient of construction of 0.62. So compute the rate of the rate of flow in liters per second. So Q equals cubic meter over second. So Q is 0.140 times 2 over 1. So 0.80 cubic meter per second. So convert to liters to second. So may muna siyang 280 liters per second. So the actual velocity in the constructed section of jet of liquid flowing from a 50 mm diameter orifice is 8.54 meter per second under a head of 4.57 meter. So question is what is the value of CB? So B equals CB square root of 2G H, so 8.54 equals CB square root of 2 9.81 times 4.57 CB. the jet from a standard 12 mm orifice in a vertical wall under a 5.4 meter head strikes a point 1.5 meter horizontally and 0.12 meter vertically from the center of a constructed section. The discharge is 400 liters in 569 seconds. So, compute the coefficient value of velocity. So, equals dt. So, t equals 1.5 over b. So, y equals 1/2. So, 0.12 equals 1/2 times 9.81. So, t equals 0.156. So, v equals 0.156 equals 1.5 over v. So, v equals 9.59 equals cb square root of 2 to 9.81 times 5.4. So, cb equals to a closed tank has an orifice in the vertical side with diameter of 70 mm. The head of the oil having a specific gravity of 0.92 is 2 meter. So above the orifice there is a pressure of 15 kilopascal at the oil surface inside the tank. Coefficient of velocity CV is 0.96 and coefficient of construction CC is 0.61. So compute the velocity of the jet at the orifice. So h equals 2 times 0.92 plus 1.5 over 9.81. So 3.37 meter. So v equals cb square root of 2gh. So v equals 0.96 96 2 times 9.81 times 3.37. So equals 7.97. Cylindrical tank 4 meter high and 1.5 meter diameter is standing on the ground and is kept full of water and orifice connected at the side of the tank at of a depth of height in order that the jet may strike the ground at maximum distance. The tank CB is 0.97. So V equals CB to GH. So ang V is 0.97 to 9.81 times 2. So V 6.7 meter per second. So an orifice of area 25 centimeters squared in a vertical plate has a head of 1.13 meter of oil. Specific gravity is 0.89. It discharges 6,192 in of oil in 88.8 seconds. Trajectory measurements yields xe equals to 2.40 meter and yo is equal to 1.37 meter. So compute the coefficient value of velocity. So okay, so 6192 over 918 times 0.89 times 0. Times 8 88.8. So 0.008 meter per cubic meter per second. So solve na po lang kani. So equal to 1 half so 1.37 equals to 9.81 over 2. So 0.528 seconds. So T equals to VT So 2.4 equals B times 0.528. So V 4.541 meter per second. So V equals to CB plus 2GH. So 4.541 equals CB 2 times 9.81 times 1.13. So CB 0.961. A nozzle having a diameter of 200 mm is to supply a head of 40 meter. For a turbine, values of CB is 0.97 and CC is 0.62 for the nozzle. So compute the discharge flowing out of the nozzle. So Q 2GH. So Q 0.97 times CC 0.62 times pi over 4 times 0.2 squared square root of 2 times 9.81 times 400. So Q 0.97 1.67 cubic meter per second. 115 meter diameter orifice discharges 60 liters per second of water under a head of 2.7 meter. A flat plate held normal to the jet downstream from the vena contracta requires a force of 423 into nearest compact of the jet. So compute the coefficient of velocity. So if B over G, so 423 was 0.060 times 9 8 10 equals B over G is 9.81. So B 423 0.60 equals CB 9.5 meter per second. So V equals CB square root of 2GH. So 705 equals CB equals to 9.81 values sa G times 2.87 meter. So CB equals 0.969. So a cylindrical tank with vertical axis contains water 50 mm theta orifice is located at the side 0.60 meter above the bottom of the tank, and 1.50 meter directly above this orifice is another 75 mm theta orifice. So CB is equivalent to 0.98 and C is equivalent to 0.61 for both orifice. So Q2 equals to C is equal to GH. So X2, so 1.5 plus H1. So 1.5 plus 1 equals 3. So Q2 equals to 0.61. So pi over 4 times 0.5 0.05 squared. So square root of 9.81 times 3. So 0.61 equals 0.0092 cubic meter per second. So Q2 is 0.0092 times 918. So Q2 equals 90.252 equals a cylindrical vessel has two identical orifices provided in one of its sides at depths of 2 meter and 5 meter respectively below the free surface of water in the tank. Assume CB is equal to 0.98, CC is equivalent to 0.65. So diameter of orifice is equal to 50 mm theta. So solve. So y equals to plus 3. So 1 equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 2 CB because it's 1. So 2 plus 0.98 it's 2 of 5. So 0.28 square root of 2 meter. So, a closed water tank 5 meter high is half filled with a water. A nozzle 0.075 meter in diameter is attached at the side of the tank at the distance of 0.5 meter above the bottom of the tank. The nozzle at the coefficient of velocity of 0.95 and coefficient construction of 0.62. So HP equals to over 746. So E equals to VR over to G. So Q equals to, so C equals CB equals CC. So C ang CB is 0.95 times CC is 0.62. So C is 0.589. So Q was 0.589 times pi over 4 equals 0.075 squared B. So Q equals to 0.00236 B. So 10 equals to 0.0026 V times 9 10 times B squared over 746 times 2 times ang equivalent sa G is 9.81. So V 0.026 plus 17.90 meter per second. Water flows from the tank through 200 mm and 125 mm diameter orifice with a total drop in water surface of 12.20 meter as shown in a the coefficient of discharge from the both orifice is C is equivalent to 0.65. So considering the flow to be uniform and neglecting velocity of approach, determine the following. So yung height of its toe, so is 12.20 meter minus h1. So h2 equals 12.20 minus sa 1.6.15. So ito 1.615. So 10.585 ay ang height. Ha? So a tank 1 meter square is a cross section is 4 meter high. A standard sharp edge orifice 100 mm in diameter is placed 300 mm above the bottom of the tank on one of each side. When at rest, the water in the tank is 3 meter deep. If the volume of water in the tank is kept constant and C is equivalent to 0.60. So Q, so 0. Ang C is 0.60 times pi over 4 times 0.10 squared to so 9.81 times sa 3 deep. So Q, so 0.60 0.036. So kay liters man, so convert to liters, so may muna siyang 36 liters over seconds. So oil discharge from a 250 mm diameter pipe through a sharp crested round orifice, so 100 mm in diameter. As shown, the coefficient of construction and velocity are 0.63 and 0.98 respectively. So specific gravity niya kay sa oil is 0.66. So CC ang coefficient of kuando, so 0.63 is so pi over 4 times sa 100, so 0.100 squared. So pi over 4, so 0.0044948 meter squared. So pi over 4, so sa digit squared, so times sa kani, so 0.004948. So digit is equal to 0.0794 meter. So convert, so may muna siyang so 79.4 coefficient of discharge at the orifice in the pipe 0.63, specific gravity is of oil is 0.91. So P1 over unit weight, so plus H plus 0.35 minus sa 13 13.6 times 0.35 over sa 0.91. So P2 over, so P1 minus P2 over unit height, so 0.35 minus 13.6, 0.35, 0.21, 4.81 meter of oil. So an orifice at the side of the tank is located 1 meter above the bottom of the tank, which is resting on the ground. So the jet of water strikes a distance of 2.75 meter horizontally away from the orifice with CB is equal to 0.98. The height of the tank is 4 meters, so, and it is filled with water 2 meters so deep, and on top of it is another liquid having a depth of 1 meter. So y equals 1/2. So 1 equals 1/2 times 9.98, 9.81. So T 1/2 9.81, so 0.45, so 0.45 seconds. So x equals dt, so 2.75 times b, so times 0. Sa t is 0.45, so b equals to 16.11 meter per second. So the lost head through a 50 mm diameter orifice under a certain head is 0.165 meter, and the velocity of the water is in the jet is 6.86 meter per second. So if the coefficient of discharge is 0.61, so determine the coefficient value of velocity. So solve natin velocity. So formula sa velocity kay V equals CB to GH. So 6.86 equals to 0.97, so 97 square root to, so 2 sa 9.81 times its height. So height niya, so 6.86 2.55 meter. So, oil of specific gravity 0.80 flows from the from a closed tank through a 75 mm diameter orifice at the rate of 0.026 cubic meter per second. So the diameter of the jet is 58.5 mm, so the level of oil is 4.47 meter, so above the orifice, and the air pressure is equivalent to negative 152 mm of mercury. So compute the coefficient of velocity. So so 7.47 minus 0.152 times 13.6, so over 0.80. So height niya is 7.47 4.56 meter of oil. So QAB, so 0.026 equals pi over 4 times sa 0.585. So B so 0.026 pi over 4, so 9.67 meter per second. So B equals to CB times to GH. So 9.67 equals to CB. So 2 plus 9.81 times to 9 times to 4.886. So CB, coefficient of velocity, so 9.67, so plus 9.81, 0.988 source. So atang 5 meter squared in a plan area is fitted with a sharp edge orifice of 50 mm diameter in its base. The coefficient of discharge of the orifice is 0.62. So may ang height sa Q, so 0.1 equals 0.62 times 4 pi over 4 times 0.05 squared, so 9.81. So yung height 0.62. So a small orifice 0.0003 meters squared in area is in the vertical side of a rectangular tank. The horizontal sectional area of the tank is 0.40 meters squared. At a given instant, the head of on the orifice is 1.2 meters, so, and 332 seconds. So later is it is 0.6 meters. So compute the value of the coefficient of discharge. So T, so over to GH, so 332 equals 312 times 0.40 is square root is 1.2 minus 0.6, so over C equals to 0.0003 square root of 2, so 9.81. So C yung 312, so 0.40 equals 0.62. A cylindrical tank having a diameter of 4 meter per second, so, and 8 meter is full of water, so there is an orifice at the bottom of the tank having an area of 0.02 meters squared. So the tank has coefficient of discharge is of 0.60. So question is how long will it take to empty the tank? So T, so minus it's 2 over to GH to G, so 5 over 4 times 4 squared, so 5 over 4 12.57 meter squared, so T, so 2, so 12.57 times, so 8 minus, so 0, so 0.60 times 0.02, so value sa 2G, so 2 times 9.81, so T, so 0.60 is 7.8 seconds. So a cylindrical tank 6 meter in diameter and 4 meter high is filled with water If an orifice 200 mm in diameter with coefficient of discharge of 0.86 is placed at the bottom of the tank, so how long will take for the water surface to drop the upper of 1 meter? So T over, so W, so pi, so 6 squared over 4 is 1, so 28.27 cubic meter, so 2G, so 0.86 times pi over 4 times 0.2 square root of 2 1.81, so 4 plus 3 over 2, so 0.86 equals to 0.23, so T equals to 3, so 28.27 over sa kani, so 0.23, so 28.27, so 126.6 seconds. Two open cylindrical tanks are connected by an orifice having a cross-sectional area of 0.004 meters squared. So tank is 8 meters so in diameter, and its water level is 10 meters. So above that of B, whose diameter is 5 meters, so if the coefficient of discharge is 0.60, so question is find the discharge following of the orifice. So 0 Q equals 2GH, so is 0.60 times 0.004, so 2, so 9.81, so times level of water 10, so Q equals to 0.034 cubic meter per second. So a prismatic vessel has two compartments A and B, so communicating by an orifice 0.3 meter square with C equals 0.60. The horizontal cross section of A is 10 square meter and that of B is 40 square meter. So at a certain time, the water in A is 6 meter above the center of the orifice and in the B is 3 meter. So compute the discharge from A to B. So Q to GH, so 0.60 times 0. Times 0.3 times 0.3, so to 9.81, so times 3, so Q, so 0.60 times 0.3 times 0.3, 2.9.81 times 3, well, so 0.0414 cubic meter per second. So a right circular tank 6.10 meter in diameter and 12.20 meter high is filled with 6.10 meter of oil. So specific gravity is 0.80 and 6.10 meter of water. So an orifice 75 mm in diameter is situated at the bottom if CB is equivalent is equal to 0.98 and CC is equal to 0.61 for the orifice and neglecting the velocity of approach, determine the following. So compute the discharge through the orifice when the tank is full of oil and water in liters per second. So 6.10 plus 6.10 times 0.8 plus 10.98, so Q equals to G, so CC equals CB, so 0.61 ang CC, 0.61 times 0.98, so 0.598, so 0.598 times pi over 4 times 0.75 squared, so 2, so 9.81 times 10.98, so 10.98, so Q 0.98, so 0.039 cubic meter per second. So para muning liters, so muna siyang 39 liters per second. A vessel containing oil specific gravity is equivalent to 0.70 moves upward in a vertical path with an acceleration of 8 meter per second squared. So find the intensity of pressure of point at the point in the oil 1.2 meter beneath its surface. So over unit weight, so 1 plus, so 1.2 meter times 1, so 8 over, so 9 point, nagkabalin sa G, so 9.81, so 9.81 times 0.70 ang iyang specific gravity times 1.2 meter sa iyang oil, so times 1 plus 8, so 9.81, so is 14.96 kPa o kilopascal. A vertical cylindrical tank has an orifice for its outlet at its bottom when the water surface in the tank is 5 meters. So above the surface can be lowered 4 meters in 20 minutes. So coefficient of discharge is 0.60. Diameter of the tank is 3.36 meters. So compute the diameter of the orifice. So formula is T. So it's 1 minus it's 2 over 2G. So 20, so times 60 equals, so 2, so 5 over 4 times sa 3.36 meter, so 5 1 over sa 0.60 times 4 over 5 over 4 this squared, so 2, so 9.81, so this squared niya is 0.01, so calculate, so may muna siyang 0.100 meter, so convert para mahimong, so may muna siyang 100 meter theta. The head in a vessel with a vertical size at the instant of opening an orifice was 3 meter and at closing had decreased to 1.5 meter. So question is, so determine the constant head under which at the same time the orifice will discharge the same volume of water. So over 2G, so T equals Q, so 3 minus 1.5 over, so 2GH, so T equals 1.5, so so 3 minus 1.5 over 2G, so equals to 1.5. So 2gh, 2g, so h, so 1.046 equals to, so 1.5 over to h, so h is 2.8 2.168 meter. A cylindrical vessel 3 meter high and 1.5 meter in diameter. So it's filled with water to a depth of 2.5 meter in its side with a 50 meter circular orifice. C is equal to 0.60 place 300 mm above the bottom of the vessel. So if the vessel be rotated about its own axis at 60 rpm, and the water allowed to escape through the orifice for a period of 3 minutes. So compute the difference in elevation of the water surface at the center and at the pinobere of the tank is constant and this instant there. So pwede ini over 2g, so 60, so 2 pi, so 60, so 2 pi rad per second, so 2 pi squared times 0.75 squared over 9.81, so 1.132 meter. A rectangular tank 3 meter times 4 meter in cross section is 5 meter high with 2 standard orifice placed at a vertical distance of 0.5 meter, so and 1 meter respectively from the bottom of the tank. Diameter of orifice is 100 meter, so with C is 0.607, so determine the amount of water to be supplied to keep the tank always full. So Q equals Q1 plus Q2, so Q 2GH1 plus 2GH2, so 0. Ang C is 0.607 times pi over 4 times 0.10 squared, so 9.81 times 4 plus 2, so 9.81 times 4.5, so Q 2. 0.087 cubic meter. So the diverging tube shown in the figure is the discharging water when h equals to 2.7 meters. So the area at section is 2 section 2 is 1.7 times the area of section 1, neglecting all friction losses. So B2 equals to 2GH. So 2, so 9.81 times height niyang 2.7. So 7.28 meter per second. For the mouthpiece 60 mm in diameter has a discharge coefficient of 0.52. So compute the coefficient of velocity. So unit width, so over G over Q, so unit width, so over Q, so CB equals to 2GH equals to GHA over Q. So Q equals 2GH, so CB equals to 2GH equals to GHA. So so 0.5 or 0.52 times CB equals to 1. So CB 2 on 0.52 equals to 0.9615. So a flow of 110 cubic meter per second passes over a surface where which is 4.88 meter long. The total depth upstream from the weir so must not exceed 2.44 meter using C equals to 1.85. So compute the velocity of approach. So QAB, so 1.9 or 10.9 equals to 2.44 times 4.88 B. So okay. 2.44 times 4.88, so 0.9 cubic meter per second. So determine the discharge of the weir having a head of 0.30 meter in liters per second. So if a 90 degrees triangular weir is used, so 90 degrees, so yung height niya is 0.30 meter. So Q equals to 1.4 height, so equals 2.5. So Q equals to 1.4 times 0.3. So Q equals to so 0.09 cubic meter per second. So may mo na siyang liter per second, so may mo na siyang 69 liters over. So a channel carries a head of water equal to 0.60 meters. So compute the discharge of a certain channel if so. 90 degrees triangular weir is used. So Q equals to 1.4 2.5. So 0.60 5.2 5 over 2. So Q is 1.4 0.390 cubic meter per second. So para mahimo na siyang liters, mahimo na siyang 390 liters per second. A sharp crested suppressed weir is under a head of 0.67 meters. So the weir is 3 meters, so and its height is 1.22 meters. So determine the discharge coefficient. So so kini 0.67 P equals to 1.22. So is 0.7 plus 0.075 over P. So equals to 0.11 equals to 0.075 times sa height 0.67 over sa P, so 1.22. So CW so 3.611 0.65. A rectangular channel has a depth of 1.2 meters and a coefficient of roughness of 0.012. The channel is carrying a flow rate of 600 liters per second. So what is the width of the channel for a most efficient section? So equals, so A equals BD, so P equals 2D plus B, so D equals BD over 2D plus B, so 1.2 over 2 equals B times 1.2 over 2 times 1.2 plus B, so B so 1.2 to 1.2 so 2.4 meters. A triangular channel with a flow rate of 600 liter per second, so has a flow depth of 1.2 meter and width of 2 meter using in 0.012. So find the channel gradient. So E, so 2 times 1.2, so A equals, ano i-calculate para 2.4, so E equals 2 times 1.2 plus 2, so E equals so 4.4, so A equals EP is equals so 2.4 over 4.4, so 0.545, so Q, so 1/2 over N, so 0.60 so times 2.4 times sa R is 0.545, so 2/3, so is so 1/2, so over 0. Ang N is 0.012, so is so 0.0000202. So a rectangular channel of width of 2 meter has a slope of 0.002, n equals to 0.012, carries to discharge of 8 meters 8 meters cubic meters per second. So find the normal depth of flow, so is 2D. So E equals 2D plus 2. So 2D over 2D plus 2 equals d over dh. So it equals, so 2d plus d over d plus 1, so 2/3 times 0. Slope 0.002 to the power of 1 half, so over sa 8, so 0.02. So yung deep so 1.5 1.51 meter. So muna yung deep. So a rectangular channel 10 meter wide carries so 60 cubic meter per second. So when flowing 3 meter deep, so what is the specific energy? So 3 meter, so 10 meter, so Q equals EB, so 60 times 10, so times 3, so 2 meter per second. So 2 squared, so 2 times 9.81 plus 3, so 3.20 meter. Regular channel n is equal to 0.011, so 18 meter wide, so is to carry water at a flow rate of 35 cubic meter per second. So the slope of the channel is 0.0078. So determine the depth of the flow. So so 18 meter, so 10d, so E equals to 2d plus 18, so R equals 18d over 2d plus 18, so R equals, so 9d over d plus 9, so 35 so 0.00078 one half over sa in, so 0.011, so ang dit kay so 0.8 meter, so specific for a constant specific energy of 120 meter in a rectangular channel 3 meter wide. So first is calculate the critical depth, so without a critical depth, so DC, so 2/3 times, so 1.20, so critical depth, so 0.8 ang iyang critical depth. So a rectangular channel carries a discharge of 17.6 cubic meter per second, so when flowing 1.2 meter deep, if the width of the canal is 10 meters, so compute the minute of the specific energy, so 10 meter, so 1.2 meter, so Q over B equals to 17.6 over 10 is equal to 1.76 cubic meter per second, so DC, so 17.6 squared over, so 9.81, so equals so 0.681 meter per second, so 2/3 times kani, so 0.681, so so 1.02 meter. So a rectangular channel with a flow rate of 600 liter per second, so has a flow depth of 1.2 meter and a width of 2 meter using in 0.012. So find the channel gradient. So 1.2, so 2 times 1.2 equals ano times kay bulok ta 2.4 squared, so E equals to 1.2 plus 2 equals 4.4 meter, so duha, so 2.4 2.4 minus 4.4, so equals 0.545 meter. So 0.6 2.4 times 0. Kani 5 4 5 5 5 5 5 2 na, so 1 half over sa kani in, so 0.02, so is equals 0.455 so 0.0670, so a rectangular flow of smooth wood in is 0.012, so slopes 1 meter per kilometer, so the width and depth of the first slope is 4 meters, so and 2 meters respectively, while that of the second slope, the width and the depth are 2 meters and 4 meters respectively. So compute the flow capacity of the first slope. Uh, so A equals 4 times 2 equals 8. No need to calculate, okay, right? So 2 times 2 plus 4 equals 8. No need to calculate. R equals 1 meter. So Q, so 8 D is the power of 2/3, so 1 over 1000, so 1 half over sa 6.2 6.0, ako na 0.0.02, so Q equals 8. So 21.08 cubic meter per second. Sakit na kayo. So, a rectangular channel has a bottom width of 3 meters. So, the channel is to carry 6.5 cubic meter per second. So, assume in, so 0.012. So, what is the depth of the channel to have an optimum section? So B equals to D. So D. So B equals to D. So 3 equals to D. So D. So 3. So 1.5. So a liquid of specific gravity 1.75 flow in a 6 centimeter horizontal pipe. The total energy at a certain point at the flow is 80 joules per Newton. So the elevation of the pipe above to fix datum so is 2.6 meter if the pressure at the specific point is 75 kilopascal. So determine the velocity of flow. So over 2g plus d over y plus g. So Et equals b squared 2 times 9.81 plus 75 times 9.81 9.81 plus what 1.75 plus 2.6. So 37.85 meter per second. So oil flows at the rate of 0.22 cubic meter per second. So in 500 mm diameter pipeline, so 500 meter long, specific gravity of oil is 0.86, neglecting minor losses, and F is 0.18, 0.018. So compute the average velocity of flow. So Q, so so 0.22 over pi over 4 times 0.5 squared, so equals 1.12 meter per second. So a rectangular channel having a width of 10 meter is to carry a discharge of 25 cubic meter per second as a normal depth of 3.2 meters. So determine the longitudinal slope at the width of the channel bed to be laid using into 0.025. So 10 meter, so 3.2, so A equals to 3.2 times 10 equals 32 meter per second. So A equals 0.2 times 2 plus 10 equals 16.4 meter. So equals 32 over 16.4, so equals
1.95 meters. So 25, 25, so 32 times, so 195, 195. So is, so Mr. Power of 1 half, so over sa kani 0.025. So so 0.11